Hi! After logging into Digital Work City, among the first things you will see, there is your wallet. This is a dynamic section where all users connected to the same company can monitor their financial availability within the platform. Each user will display different information based on their role within the company itself. If you are the owner of a company registered on Digital Work City, you will see a specific wallet with its name and financial availability. By clicking on the icon, you will see its registry and contractual information. At the same time, you can keep all users connected to your company under control. You can also add new ones, entering their name and surname, or a valid email address. For each user, you can see details about their role within the company, whether they are members or colleagues or sponsors, and about their status, whether confirmed, declined, or pending. The difference between a company member and a company sponsor is that members can be assigned a budget to be used only for purchasing the services offered by Digital Work City, such as e-learning and welfare services, while sponsors can be assigned budget to purchase services, but also to create projects to associate with the company. This budget can then be used to pay employees connected to the project. For each user, you can always keep track of the initial, allocated, and residual budget for what concerns both services and projects. On the other end, the table at the end of the page will show you the general financial situation of your company. So you will see the amount of budget registered during the creation of the company on Digital Work City, how much of that budget has been allocated, and how much of it remains, always with a differentiation between the budget related to projects and that related to services. The Assign Budget button allows you to assign budget to your collaborators, always distinguishing between that assigned for purchasing services and that assigned for the creation of projects. Within the same section, you can also promote to sponsor users who are still members of the company. If you are part of other companies besides yours, in the dashboard you will see a more general wallet that shows you a list of them. For each company, you will see its name, company owner's name, and a label that shows you whether you are a sponsor or a colleague. You too will see different information based on your role within the company. So if you are a company sponsor, you will see details about the allocated and residual budget for what concerns both services and projects. Plus, you can ask a company owner to increase it, both for services and projects. If you are a colleague, you will see details about the allocated and residual budget related only to the services, and this is the only one you can request an increase of. Within the same list, you will be shown once again the companies you owe. For each of them, you will see the initial and actual budget, the allocated and residual budget related to the creation of projects, and the allocated and residual budget related to the purchase of services. So in this case, it is about the general financial situation of the company, and there are no details about the budget assigned to each user. From the same window, you can also choose to assign new budget to your collaborators or to increase that already assigned. Finally, you will see a list of the projects connected to your company with details about the name, the description, and the allocated budget. If you have any question, contact us at info@whitelibra.com. We will be happy to help you. Enjoy your journey.